everyone, today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute house. So let's get started. Let's start by drawing a big square in the middle of our paper. This will be the main part of our house. Draw a straight line at the bottom, then 2 vertical lines going up, and connect them with another straight line on top. Now, let's add a triangle on top of the square for the roof. Find the middle of the top line of the square, and draw a point above it. Connect this point to the corners of the square to make a triangle. Next, let's draw the door. In the middle of the bottom of the square, draw a small rectangle. This will be our door. Now, let's add a windows. Draw a small square on one side of the door. To make our house even cuter, let's add a chimney. Draw a small rectangle on one side of the roof, and connect it to the top with 2 lines. Light blue color. Orange color. And there you have it. Our cute house is all done. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.